Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. And in this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to buy at wholesale, how much you invest, how much to sell it for, and how much your profit is. And if you're new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope I'm able to serve you well with all the information that I have. Other than that, let's not wait any longer. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. For this video, I'm going to show you how to print a t-shirt. This is a Hanes tagless for women in V-neck, and I'm going to teach you how to put a print on it using magic foil and easy with adhesive glue. So for that, you're going to be needing a measuring tape so that you know exactly how big your image can fit on your t-shirt. Of course, your t-shirt, weed tool, you need scissors for sure, and then you need the magic foil. I'm going to be doing this almost like creating an ombre. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. Of course, you're going to need your heat press at 305, and you're going to need the adhesive. And on the description box, I'm going to put links of where you can get all the items, okay? And of course, you're going to need your thermal sheet. Just so you see, this is the one that I made for me. Here it is. This is also on the foil one. And we are going to do the same thing but with different foil colors, okay? Let me move to the computer so we can start the process, and let's get to work. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut or any other cutter that you may have. And these images, let me go on the upload. These images right here, I have a membership with Shutterstock. These images were sent to me as a EPS, and because the Cricut doesn't allow those extensions, then I went into Cloud Convert, and I want to put a video of that video I did for you to show you how to convert your files. So I'm going to go ahead and put a video, a link of the video. So I had to change those to a PNG. So this is the one that we're going to be using, and I already uploaded. So we're going to cancel this, and I have it here. The t-shirt that I'm going to make is a V-neck from Hanes, and I get my t-shirts at wholesale price for about $1.98 or $2 at Print Gear. And that's a company that is in 3 different states, and I'm going to put the link of Print Gear in the description below. And also, there's a lot of places you can get them, but for the price, I think that's pretty good. They're like $2 each, up to from size small up to sizes extra large. Remember also that I'm going to be talking, and I usually do these in most of my videos. We're going to be talking about how much it costs to make it and how much is your profit. So we're going to go through that. I'm planning on putting this on my website so that in case you don't want to deal with making it, you can go on my website and order it. And again, links are going to be in the description box. Okay, so this is going to be a 10.5 wide, and I already measured my t-shirt. So we're going to go ahead and print on the adhesive. Easy with adhesive. Okay, so here it is. We're going to go ahead and do mirror just like we do with HTV, and we're going to go ahead. I always tell people to just move it a little bit away from the red line. So here we are moving it a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and go continue, and we're going to use it in the same setting as the iron-on HTV. And now we're gonna go here and go ahead and upload our the adhesive, and we're gonna do it's a 12 by 12. So we're gonna put it. Here's the rough part. It goes up. Press here, and you go ahead and press the C for quick cut, and you go ahead and print it. Let me show you how it looks while we wait for the adhesive to finish cutting. So this is how it looks. Okay, it's a very it's like a foil paper. So we're going to cut 3, 1 in each color, and they're going to be about exactly going to be 3 3/4. Okay, so I'm going to use my cutter for that. So let's go ahead and cut these. The print is already done. You can barely see it because it's so clear. But let me bring it into the camera to see if you can see it. Oh, let's see, right there. Can you see the image? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and weed all these and be ready to print on the t-shirt. I already finished weeding the whole thing, so this is how it looks. Here it is. So here's the whole thing. So it took me a little longer than I expected because of all the designing within the letters. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm ready to go ahead and do my printing. So let's go ahead and get ready, and let's see how this puppy is going to come out. This is going to be an easy and fast process. I'm going to go ahead and do what I do with all my shirts. I'll go ahead and get the moist out of the t-shirt. And so what I do is that way it gives me it gives me like a line right in the middle, and that helps me so that I know how to put my my print. So we're just going to be doing about 5 seconds, and I'm not even going to lock it. So there's 5 seconds. Here I have my image. So this is how it looks and how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that right in the middle too, so that I know where to place it. And we're going to go like right there. I'm going to do 3 fingers below the V-neck. So there it is, counting this seam part. So it's 3 fingers. So we're going to go ahead and put it right there. Okay. So there it is. So we're going to go ahead and we're only going to do about maybe 7 seconds. If you guys are enjoying these videos, and if you haven't subscribed, I will appreciate it if you can subscribe, like, and share if you can. I would really appreciate it. So we're just waiting for these to cool down a little bit so that we can peel it off. And this is the adhesive. Okay, so this is like not a cold peel, but it's like a warm peel. You don't bring it up when it's too hot. You like more when it's warm, and when it's too cold, it's not going to do the trick. So like right in the middle. So here it is. Let me see if you can see it. Okay, there it is. This is like the glue, the adhesive. So all I'm going to do now, I have my 3 colors here, and I'm going to try to do more like an ombre, starting like up here with the silver. So we're just going to go right up here, make sure that everything's covered, just like so. And then I'm going to put this one like just a little over my paper so that it looks even. Maybe like right there. And then I'm going to put the darker. And you can also do it the other way, but this is what I want to do. So let's go ahead and do it. Now we're going to do it between 15 and 20 seconds. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and wait a little bit because this is a cold peel again. I really like this because it's fun to work with this kind of material. It's really, really fun. Let's go ahead and start with the bottom part one. So there you go. Coming up, coming up, coming up. See how easy it is? Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. I tell you. I think I need to give this one a few more seconds. I'm in love. Completely in love. Okay. So here we go. Okay. So now the last one. Whoa. Really, really, really. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty, you guys. I really like it. I hope really you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Whew. For now, you guys, may the Lord bless you today and every day. Until next time, blessings. Stay safe.